Hello, hi, this is Nias. Now we are converting our survey sketch into this is the survey sketch. Just now we have opened. Sorry, the system is too slow. Now we are selecting our line and these elevations, northeast coordinates and grade level coordinates. We are copying this with coordinate 0, 0, 0. And we are pasting into another file. 0, 0, 0, enter. Now we are making our proposed line global width to 0 and line type scale to 0. And next step, now we are creating surface. We have to go to surfaces, and in the surfaces we have to go to create surface. And in the create surface option, in the name we can give any name, like the well number is 1661. We can give it as 166 or 1661 or 1. And the description we can give it as profile or name, whatever it may be. And style, in style we are giving it as contours 1 meter and 5 meter design. Okay. And in the render material we are giving it as by layer. Okay, now we have created our surface. Now see in our description, the name what we have kept is 1. So now we are going into this surfaces, the name 1, and the name 1 we have 3 options: masks, watersheds, definition. And in the definition we have few more options, and in the definition we are going into the drawing objects. Now we have to add our drawing options. After selecting the add, we have to go to text here and description, the name whatever we want to give, we can give it 1. Okay, now we are going to select our entire line and entire elevations, and we are going to enter. Now the surface has been created. After creating the surface, now we are going to create alignment. Create alignment from objects. Now we have to select our object, our line, our proposed pipeline or the flow line. We are selecting the flow line and enter. And our flow line starts from right side to left side. It is starting, the wellhead is here and the tie-in is here. So create elements, press enter to accept element direction, reverse or enter. and here we are going to OK. Now we have created. Now the alignment is done. Next we are going to create profile. In profile, create surface profile. Now we have to, whatever the name we have given, the name we have to add in the profile list. We have selected the name here. I'm adding into profile list, added, and after selecting this profile list, I'm going to draw in profile view. We have to enter next, and we are going to create profile view. We are creating the profile view, and the profile view is completed for this well. $76, and just I am checking the well, what I am done is correct or not. I will show to you whether it is correct or not. The well. So our starting point of wellhead, the value is nearby this flow line. The value is grade level is 76.115, and the starting point here it is 76.067. So it's correct. The profile, now we are moving a little bit another side, and after completing this profile grade level elevation in Civil 3D, now we are going to convert it into AutoCAD file. Export AutoCAD 2000, and now we are saving this AutoCAD profile 1661 in desktop. It's been saved, it's completed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please share and subscribe.